My sister is currently visiting from the States, and she doesn't have much time here in the Philippines. So we decided to go on a spur-of-the-moment trip to Banaue. We arrived in Banaue just after sunrise the next day. We quickly checked into our lodge and ate a yummy breakfast. We took a nap to catch up on sleep and then went on an adventure to some hot springs nearby. The next day we went to Batad. Batad is where a large part of the mountainside is covered in rice terraces. It's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Okay, so this is Batad, and now we're heading to the waterfall, and hopefully we can make it there. How are you guys doing? We're on the way back up now. This is the hard part. We made it. We made it back. Oh. Made it back. We still have to take 1 hour ride on the tricycle to get back to Banaue. We're gonna shower, then take the bus back to Manila tonight.
Banaue is one of my favorite places to go for a quick escape from Manila. If you haven't been there, I definitely recommend it.